Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you an easy and a simple recipe, Kankun chicken. And for that I need kangkong. Only the leaves are being taken. Chicken 200 grams cut into thin strips. Soya sauce 1 tablespoon. Chilli paste 2 teaspoons. And salt, pepper, turmeric and stock. First thing, cut chicken into thin strips like this. And see, I'm using a little turmeric, a little salt, pepper. Now I'm going to mix this. If you can marinate and keep at least for half an hour, it will have a better flavor and taste. I'm going to put into the pan. Cook in its own juice. The water dries up very fast. Now we add the oil. About a tablespoon of oil I have used. Soya sauce. The kangkong is cut as I told you. There is no stem. Now what I am going to do is I am adding this into the chicken. About 1.5 cups of stock. Chicken stock you add. Chinese chili paste about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons we can add. You can add a little chili powder. That's all that you have to do because the Kankun chicken is very simple, very easy to prepare. Now the Kankun chicken is ready.